Hello and welcome to another MT4 Tutorials video on how to use the platform. In this video we're going to add some indicators to our charts. So let's start off. Let's first of all choose the chart that you'd like to add an indicator to. So I'd like to add it to this bottom one on the right. You click it to select it. Now you can add the indicator here, or you can double click to maximize the chart. Makes it easier to edit. So how do we add an indicator? Well, you go to Insert at the top and you go to the Indicators list and you add an indicator. Now, I would like to add a moving average. Now, there's all sorts of different indicators you can add, and in the moving averages are in the Trend section here. So you go to the right, click on Moving Average, and it brings up this selection box here. I would like to add a 55 period moving average. Click 55, add that in, and it populates on the chart. Now, okay, I don't want a 55 period moving average, so I'm going to edit that and change it. So you can double click, left hand double click to bring up the box again. I'm going to have a 21 period moving average. Click OK, and it changes the moving average. But hang on, I've just realized I don't want a moving average at all. I want to get rid of the moving average. So instead of having the moving average there, I can hover over the line, do a right hand click and delete indicator. So now let's try and add another indicator. How about a relative strength index, or an RSI indicator? Well, again, you're on the chart, you click on Insert, Indicators, hover over that, and I know the RSI is an oscillator. So you go to the oscillators list, you go down to relative strength index, it brings up the selection box. You can go with 14 period RSI if you'd like, and the color selection you can change to whatever color you'd like. Go for a nice green color and add that in. And it comes in at the bottom, RSI 14 period, and you see the oscillator at the bottom. Let's add back in a nice moving average. $21 period moving average. That moving average is back in, and now you can see we're starting to build the indicators on our charts.